personnel. They have identified the policemen involved and issued their immediate suspension as well as transfer out of Patiala. Thereafter, an FIR based on the complaint launched by Colonel Pushpinder Singh Bath was registered at the Civil Lines Police Station on 22nd of March 25 under the relevant sections of the Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita. The probe is now being undertaken by the Special Investigation Team under an additional Director General of Police to be completed in the earliest possible time frame. The Punjab Police, under the leadership of the Director General of Police, has reiterated their profound respect for the Indian Army and its personnel, emphasizing that such an incident is just an undesirable aberration and contrary to the values that they uphold in their organization. We reiterate the need for a fair and honest investigation in a transparent and a very time-bound manner to punish the guilty and restore faith in the system. The guilty police personnel should be punished in a timely and an exemplary manner so that the incident does not vitiate the atmosphere and affect the long-cherished bonhomie between the civil administration and Punjab Police with the serving and retired army personnel. I, through the media,
fair manner. Security cover has been provided to the family of Colonel Pushpinder Singh Bath. Punjab Police reiterates its highest respects for the Indian Army and is committed to uphold and maintain the dignity of Army officers. Any person who has assaulted the serving Army officer shall be dealt with severely in accordance with law. The criminal investigation shall be completed swiftly so that the culprits are brought to book soon. Punjab Police has a tradition of valor and bravery and has jointly participated in many operations with the Indian Army and the Central Armed Police Forces. Punjab Police, with the support of the Army and the CAPFs, rooted out terrorism in the state in the early 1990s. In the current internal security scenario, close coordination is being maintained with the Indian Army and the Central Armed Police Forces in national interest. The unfortunate incident of assault on a serving Army officer is an aberration which will be dealt with in accordance with law. I would appeal to everyone not to indulge in criticizing the situation or making the present situation into an Army versus police one. The Army and the Punjab Police are united in their resolve to work together for national interest. Thank you very much. Have a good day.